Councillor Cllr Murphy is with us as well. He's been quite vociferous in fighting for the residents in St Michael's Gate as well. Much criticism of the local councillors at this meeting the other night, Ed, as well.
Oh, no doubt. Jelane's got it. She knows what's going on. Yeah, there were families that spent Christmas in hostel accommodation, probably in 1 or 2 rooms, that used to be paying £800 a month to rent a unit at St Michael's Gate. It's disgraceful what's gone on. And on Tuesday at the House of Commons, the Minister didn't even know, and the MP didn't even know when the regulator, or if the regulator actually agreed for it to be transferred from public housing as a housing association to the private sector. The issue that I give Jackson his credit on that one, the issue he's been raising, these were built with public money. Why were they transferred to the private sector? It's terrible.
But we've had no answer.
No, we've not had an answer. Again, I've now asked the council, somebody needs to do some research on this. There are people in Peterborough that know what happened. Maybe they've lost the file, maybe they don't know, maybe it never got permission, in which case it could lead to a criminal case.
Yeah, if that's proven, of course.
Of course.
You speak to Elaine, you can hear the exasperation in her voice, you know, and the warning that this could happen to anybody if we don't change the law. Is the government right here, or do they have a point that if they change the law, people perhaps wouldn't want to be landlords? No,
the government are wrong here. People should have more than a couple of weeks' security if they're paying rent. We should move back to assured tenancies or secure tenancies. I think the reason the government may not want to do anything is they don't want to upset the landlords. 5 times I've asked the council to tell me if it's hundreds of thousands of pounds or millions the councils who are landlords are getting through housing benefit. They've refused to answer it, and they're still stalling. They're going to have to answer the question one day. You
still want answers to a range of questions, don't you,
from
absolutely. Peterborough City Council?
Also, you know, they took the big lie from Stephen Phillips. If you don't take this, another council will. No proof, no verification that any other council was interested. The Housing Act makes it quite clear councils should house people who are homeless in emergency accommodation near the home neighbourhood unless they're fleeing domestic violence or something like that. The regulations should make that specific, and then councils wouldn't be sending people hundreds of miles away.
Are you still fighting for these people?
Absolutely. I'm taking some action. I spoke to the previous landlord at St Michael's Gate on Monday about compensation for a property that's in terrible state of disrepair. I'm doing several cases, and if need be, I'll be representing tenants in the county court if the landlord actually dares to put an application into the court for possession. They've not actually got a possession order yet. They've just been threatening people with eviction.
So they've not taken anybody to court as yet?
As far as I know, no case has actually gone to court yet. I think what the council is saying, well, you don't have to. We'll try and house them for you. It's costing us all money. £3 million this is going to cost us as ratepayers and taxpayers. So it would be cheaper to build homes and put people in them who are willing to pay the rent.